So a couple of days ago, we had conducted an extensive 2.5 hour long session on how to write a great essay for UPSC Civil Services Exam. In that session, I broke it down for you कि भाई किस तरीके से you have to approach the introduction, how do you brain dump, how do you brainstorm, and how do you explore कि भाई what is the frame in which you're going to write this essay. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Ace the Essay course, and Ace the Essay course is a course where I will be personally teaching you how to write great essays. Now the session that we had conducted is sort of a preliminary or introductory class for this course. The idea is that in this course we'll be breaking down all of those things that we talked about, which is how to actually brainstorm essays. What are the things that you need to take into account? How do you explore these topics? And what we'll be doing is we'll be doing all of these things live in class itself. So in this course, what we'll be aiming for is that we ace the essay, because essay is one paper in your UPSC Mains preparation which has a 60 to 70 marks range, because people score anywhere from 70 to 140 marks in the essay, and getting to the 140 part is something that can really make a difference in your attempt. So I'll be your essay faculty, and in this course what do you get? We will be getting multiple essay sessions. There'll be 8 sessions overall. We'll look at what will the sessions cover, and then you will also get 2 full-length tests for essay, which will be evaluated and we will be discussing. We will also focus on writing a lot of mini essays. बहुत बार क्या होता है that people feel hesitant to write a full 1000-word essay because it's taking time XYZ. So in order to get started, build momentum, we'll be writing a lot of mini essays. I'll be giving you direct practice on what to do. Finally, we will understand how to explore depth in your essay, how to approach multiple perspectives, and how to make it a wholesome, covering all aspects essay. So if we break down what are the things that we'll be covering in this course, session 1 will talk about writing to think. This will be a lot about the brain dump part that we talked about. We will be trying to expand our thinking into as many dimensions as possible, so as to get a holistic essay, so as to cover as many avenues and as many perspectives as possible. We will talk about creativity and structure and how you can integrate both of them into your essays. Then we will also look at intro and conclusion. What are the things that make for a great intro? What are the things that can tie up a conclusion very well with your intro? And all of these things, 4 stories, कब stories को इस्तेमाल करना है, कब नहीं करना है, all of these things we'll be covering in the second session. Third session, we'll talk a lot about exploration. Meaning, once I have dumped, so how do I sort of understand कि breakdown और कैसे करना है, what is the structure that I fit my essay into, and the various mental models that you can use in order to build a narrative or build a cohesive argument for your essay. So इसके बाद editing के लिए self editing की checklist के बारे में हम बात करेंगे, that after you have done all of this, after you have built an intro, a conclusion, after you've explored the body, and then how do you edit an essay? How do you still find faults and try and make it even better? There'll be brainstorming sessions, 2 brainstorming sessions, where what we'll be doing is we'll be taking up common themes from previous year questions in essay papers. And then there'll be 2 sessions on essay discussion. So the idea of this entire course is that with this course, through these 8 sessions, we will try and ensure that at least you can get 120, 130 marks. And if it's your day, you might even get 140, 150 marks in the essay paper. So price of this course, it will be 3499, and you can visit courses.upscprep.com to enroll in this course. If you're already enrolled in the mains focus group, so this course will be available to you free of cost, because mains focus group is our big course for people preparing for mains 2025. And if you just want to buy this course, and if you clear prelims 2025, so then you will also get a 10% discount even on the 2499 ka course. Finally, early bird discount is course pe chal raha hai. The details of that can be found in the video description and the pinned comment. So if you're interested in joining the Ace the Essay course and learning the art and craft of essay writing from me, your mentor and teacher in this course, let me know, and best of luck on your UPSC journey.